hell? Oh, what? We are back. It's been a long time since we filmed a video or even posted. I'm trying to take this more seriously now, and I'm starting to show you guys at 21, alhamdulillah, I've achieved, you know, two nice beautiful cars which I've got on the left of me right now. We're going to keep it here though. So as you previously know, I used to own a Lexus IS250. Apart from that, you guys don't know the other cars that I used to have. So I used to own a Golf, which I did some tacky mods to. I put a number plate on it, all this shebang, and now alhamdulillah I can say I have the exact Golf that I've wanted since time. It's got all the mods, starlights, pops, bangs, whatever. And on the second car, the Lexus was so nice I had to do it twice. I got another Lexus, the paint is unreal. Let me just show you guys. Okay. Two-car collection. Here we got the IS250, which I showed you some nice cinematic shots of. This paint is actually pearl white, and you can't really see it yet, but in the sunlight it has a beautiful reflection. As you know, my other one, the Lexus that I had before, the black one, was like full high spec. This one doesn't really, you know, copy that, but apart from not having a rear camera and the stereo CarPlay, you know what, it's still good. Fantastic color, amazing seats. And over here, this is the 1.4 litre Mark 6, a beautiful car which I rebuilt myself. Car wasn't starting when it arrived. It's got starlights. This is a GT edition, which means it has a turbo in it. It has the upgraded headlights, backlights coming back. I mean, even for 1.4, the performance is crazy. The car's been lowered quite a lot. It's got a nice little split at the top, GTI rear diffuser. I mean, you can just see it's a beautiful car. BPS rim, got a nice exhaust, which I'll show you later on. And yeah, man, this one took like 2 weeks to just, you know, get the parts, rebuild it, find the right day. It's still not done, but however, it still runs and drives like a beast. Even at high mileage, this car, you know, you can never turn it down. Alright, you know what? Let's see how it sounds, fam. Let's give this little V6 a go. Let's see what it's got, bro. You ready, yeah? No. That stinks, man. Yeah, you man, there's gonna be loads more content to come, especially on my TikTok, which I'll link in the bio. So stay tuned because we got a Mazda coming, bro. Anyways, in a bit.